Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Well, as you can see, I'm getting back to it. This is another project. The Liberty Sport is going to be covered. I've got an orange covering for it. It's going to be covered in orange. Actually, the wings are going to be orange. The body's going to be white. So everything you see that's attached to the frame itself is going to be in white, and then it's going to have accents of orange. So it's going to be a white and orange frame. And I just thought, why not? Not many orange airplanes out there, right? So yeah, this is what's going on right now. I've removed almost all the hardware except the servos inside, which I will probably not remove. I'll just wrap them up nice and neat, and then start covering the frame itself. Tail surfaces will be done. I've removed them perfectly. I just have to add some strengthening in here, some cross members, just to make the tail a little stiffer. And once that is done, then I'll go ahead and cover that. Fuselage will be covered. I'm not going to cover this portion here. This portion's got to have the cutout, so I can get it's supposed to be a 2-seater, but I think I'm just going to make her a 1-seater. So, yeah. So this is the way it looks as of right now, and so the wings are back over there. I'll be showing the wings on the next video. So keep in touch, and yeah, you'll be seeing some updates. I'll be putting out a video of me covering the aircraft. Stay tuned, guys. More to come. Model Man Frank out.